Good morning. I am trying to earn my name this morning. Let me show you. What better way to start the morning than with French toast and bacon? So, day 3 with a nasty head cold. My head's still clear, but my sinuses and my chest are pretty filled. So I'm glad it's timed with the really cold, bad weather, so I don't feel quite so guilty. But it is taking everything I have to stay still and recover so that I can keep walking. I apologize. It's not a lot of fun to watch videos when I'm not on the trail. But this short little video today is actually celebrating something. And that is that as of today, February 20th, it is 5 years cancer-free for me. So Bookie and her mom have made a cake. There's going to be a celebration this evening. And then I am pulling cook duties just to make up for sitting here not doing much. So I made French toast, bacon, sausage this morning, and tonight it's going to be, I think, a stir fry on me for putting up with me sneezing and blowing my nose and trying to get rid of this head cold before I tackle a 7-mile uphill climb out of the knock. But yeah, sorry that there aren't any miracle miles, but health is way more important. So I'm going to try and get this under control over the next day. Hopefully not much longer than that, because I really want to be out there. The folks that I've been hiking with, Sandra and Hangman, they're going to be leaving the knock tomorrow. And I'm just going to make sure that I have another couple of days under my belt to feel 100, get to at least 90% before I try and tackle a big elevation climb, because my lungs would not handle that at the moment. So that's all I have for you today. But thanks for sticking with. You guys have been awesome with the comments and the support. I can't thank you enough. Yeah. I feel horrible being sick. I don't like it. I'm not good at it. But there you go. So I will resume the videos when I start walking miracle miles. There's no point in coming on and telling you stuff that doesn't have to do with the trail, really. So I'm just going to heal, get better, and then head back on the trail. So I will see you next time on trail. I'll try and leave a note when that will happen. But until then, be well.